Alright everybody, there is currently a train coming, but right now we are in North Carolina. Here's the crossing signal, and Amtrak is about to come. There's the Amtrak, and the gates will lower pretty soon. And yeah. So there's 4 tracks here. There go the gates. And it's only been 5 minutes after the first train came by.
Come up to right here.
Oh, it's a North Carolina engine. On the back too.
Oh yeah. There
you go. Alright, it's only been 5 minutes after the Norfolk Southern tank train came by, and it looks like North Carolina train is down at the station now. So I'll probably 5 minutes after that train came, another train came by. This time it was a passenger train because we're by the passenger station. So thank you for watching this other video, and peace.